Top 5 boondocking sites on the East Coast. If you're looking to explore the East Coast and take in all of its natural beauty, then boondocking is a great way to do it. Boondocking is a form of camping that allows you to camp and park on public lands for free, so you can truly maximize your budget and experience the great outdoors. In this blog post, we'll explore some of the top boondocking sites on the East Coast so you can plan your next trip and make the most of your journey. From beachside camping to camping in the mountains, there is something for everyone on the East Coast. Read on to learn more about the top 5 boondocking sites on the East Coast and find out why these locations are so popular among outdoor enthusiasts. 1. Assateague Island National Seashore, Maryland. Boondocking at Assateague Island National Seashore in Maryland is an experience you won't soon forget. This 37-mile-long barrier island off the eastern shore of Maryland provides the perfect backdrop for a secluded getaway. Visitors will enjoy the beautiful beaches, as well as the diverse wildlife that calls the island home. With no hookups available, boondocking is the only way to stay at Assateague, and the great news is that it's free. But be sure to come prepared with plenty of supplies. The island is only accessible by ferry, so you won't be able to just pop out to the store. 2. Cumberland Island National Seashore, Georgia. Number 2 on our list is the Cumberland Island National Seashore in Georgia. This is the largest and southernmost barrier island in the US, and it's a great spot for boondockers who want to get away from it all. Primarily a wilderness area, Cumberland Island National Seashore is home to diverse ecosystems and plenty of wildlife. There are no amenities, so you'll need to come prepared with your own food and water. Despite the lack of amenities, Cumberland Island is a great place to camp with its stunning views of the Atlantic, miles of sandy beaches, and plenty of opportunities for fishing and hiking. 3. Shenandoah National Park, Virginia. Shenandoah National Park in Virginia is one of the best boondocking sites on the East Coast. Here, you can find breathtaking views of rolling hills and valleys, abundant wildlife, and hundreds of miles of pathways and trails to explore. Boondocking here is a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, and you can find a variety of sites to stay, from the traditional campgrounds to backcountry sites along the trails. With the Blue Ridge Mountains as your backdrop and the Shenandoah River running through the park, this is a great place to relax and enjoy the great outdoors. 4. Acadia National Park, Maine. The beautiful Acadia National Park in Maine is the perfect spot for boondocking. Located on the rugged shores of Mount Desert Island, Acadia offers miles of hiking trails, stunning coastal views, and plenty of opportunities for exploration. Whether you're looking to do some fishing, kayaking, or just soak in the beauty of nature, Acadia is the perfect spot for your next boondocking adventure. There are plenty of spots to park your RV or campervan, and the park offers free Wi-Fi at the campgrounds. With its stunning landscapes and amazing wildlife, Acadia National Park is sure to be one of your most memorable boondocking experiences. 5. Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area, Pennsylvania. The Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area is one of the top boondocking sites on the East Coast. Located in Pennsylvania, this recreation area offers majestic views and plenty of opportunities for outdoor recreation. Boondocking in this area is ideal for those who want to experience the outdoors without being too far from civilization. This recreation area offers more than 65,000 acres of forest and streams for visitors to explore. Hiking and horseback riding trails, river access, and a vast selection of camping sites make this one of the best boondocking sites on the East Coast. Boondocking on the East Coast can be an incredibly rewarding experience. From the serene beauty of the Great Smoky Mountains to the wild adventure of Florida's Everglades, there are plenty of options for travelers looking to escape the hustle of everyday life. With the right research and preparation, you can have a safe and enjoyable time while taking in the beauty of the East Coast. Camping is our happy place.